Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday. Marvelous Monday. I use that all the time, I know. One more day. Tomorrow is a full year. Yes. So, last night I prepared my chili mac. Good as always. Less than 15 minutes from start to finish. It will always be a family favorite. Today, I'm actually really doing a dump, mix, and dump again and run. Garlic and lemon chicken with red potatoes and green beans. Yeah, super simple. Let's take a look. Got the hardware. There's the bowl for the dump. And there's the pan for the other dump. And the ingredients are obviously chicken. So I got some chicken breasts, some olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper. The green beans, I decided to go with the packaged green beans instead of snapping beans. Some baby red potatoes, which I'll quarter. The recipe doesn't call for this, but I'm adding half of a sliced onion, red. Of course, there's garlic and lemon in the title, so there's the garlic. There's a layer of lemon and lemon juice, and yeah, and I decided there was no herbs and spices really in this except for the salt and pepper, so I'm kicking this up into a Mediterranean/Greek. So we're going with some paprika, some sweet basil, Mexican, yeah, I know, and Mexican oregano, and I'm going to add a touch of dried mint. Hey, you know, recipes, there's no rules. My kitchen, my rules. So, should be a good one. Looking forward to it. Like I said, this is a dump, dump, mix, dump, and run. It goes in the oven at 400 degrees for like 40 minutes. Scoop it, plate, done. Super simple. So I'll probably trim the beans down. I don't like real long beans. So, on this marvelous Monday, or magnificent Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.